Hey guys, what's going on? Tony and Matt. Today we're going to do the balloon challenge. We're bringing it back. Alright guys, this is how it's going to work. I've got 10 yellow balloons out there. You get 11 shots total, one's a test shot. And there's green balloons attached to the yellow balloons as well. If you hit one of those, that's a penalty. So it takes away 1 point from your score. So you get 10 shots total basically after your first test shot. And I'm yellow balloons. Matt's gonna be the red balloons. And here we go. And obviously whoever loses out of this competition is gonna have to either give away a Lone Wolf shirt or a Detroit Paintball shirt. So here we go. Goggles on, Marcus.
Yep. Still recording.
Oh wow, this dark lens in here is definitely got me feeling.
My nice yellow HD lens from GI Sports. Everything fine.
Here we go.
So I will count down, and when I say go, that's when your time will start. All right.
I'm gonna take my test shot, or is that gonna?
No, you can take your test shot.
Okay. Hoppers on. Okay.
All right. 3.
Are you gonna count the shots too?
Well, yeah, you put more than 10 in, didn't you? No.
Yeah, there's a lot more than 10, yeah.
I will count the shots,
okay.
And I will count the time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Where am I at? How many shots?
8. Alright, so you've got a time of 13.79 seconds. I don't know if that's showing up.
So I shot 4 balloons.
And you shot 4 balloons. All right.
Oh man.
4 balloons in 13.
Yep.
We gotta swap them out now. Oh yeah, we gotta swap out the balloons. Put
yep.
Barrel cover on so we can. There you go. Man.
So I got 1 test shot.
No pressure, no pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure. All right, we're gonna have Mark.
Hold on.
This is gonna be tough, dude. I got sneaking white ones backed by red ones.
All right, I'll do
10 shots. Are you ready, Mark?
Nope, I gotta get the timer set. So Matt's turn. Matt's got red balloons, white balloons are the penalties. And if Matt's ready, I will count down.
I'm ready.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. 3 more shots. 2 more. Done.
He wins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, yeah, I guess he already wins because the time doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, the balloons came first, so how many did you hit? 5?
He hit 6, it looks like.
I was trying to pay attention to the count.
Yeah,
so.
there's 4 left.
And I think he said that's it, and I still shot 1.
So he had 2 more balloons.
It didn't break.
And he was at 14, 61. 14 seconds, 61. So.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. This was the balloon challenge here at Lone Wolf Paintball. This is Matt for Detroit Paintball. Where can we find you?
DetroitPaintball.com.
DetroitPaintball.com.
Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching, guys.
Woohoo! You forgot the whole giveaway part.
Oh, we're gonna give a shirt away or something.
Leave a comment, and next week's live stream will announce.
Okay, we'll have Matt.
Leave a comment below and we will get you the shirt, either a Lone Wolf shirt or a Detroit Paintball shirt.
And also leave your also
Don't do this at home.
Can't do it, Mark. Can't do it.
What was the last part? Leave a what?
Leave a comment. Somewhere during the next live stream. Tune in Thursday to see who wins the shirts. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Brilliant!